Well, hello guys, and it is Russ's first camping trip of the year. Harley trailer with the Harley, got the dirt bike, got the mountain bike, got all the kayaks, but all the water's still frozen over. And I just thought, you know what, I'm going to get out for a couple of days, a week, and it's still pretty chilly up here in North Michigan. So I'm going to my favorite place to start off the camping season, make sure everything works properly. All right, more awesome videos. Got plenty of food, got plenty of beer from the Austin Brothers, our local brewery. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing some like walleye. We're gonna be doing some baby back ribs, baby back ribs. Got a steak, got all kinds. I got more food that yeah. All right, guys, stay tuned. Now, this is sad. My favorite campground, and they're just stripping it big time up here. This used to be all motorcycle trails, and they're just totally cleaning it out. That is sad. All right, guys. Well, we muddled our way through the recording on this one. This is my first breakfast at camp. We got scrambled eggs, sausage, tomatoes, cheese, bell peppers, onions. We have a couple of tortillas, so very tasty. It was snowing big time. Stopped snowing, all melted, all within like an hour. This is delicious, look at that. Oh, it's fine. No snow. Oh well, there's a little snow. Not bad. Yeah, I figured it was a little chilly last night. All right. Well, what turned into a little snow it's turning into a lot of snow. So at least I can say I went winter camping this winter. You know, not spring camping. This is full-fledged winter camping. So, yep. It's pretty. So anyway, we're gonna make a really nice hot breakfast today. Yeah, it is a coming down. Alright guys, today for breakfast, brunch, lunch, we are keeping it easy. Turkey, hot turkey, sausage, melted cheese, tomato sandwich with a granola bar, chocolate. And then we've got some baby back ribs for tonight. Gonna start cooking those up very shortly. Alright. Had a pretty good night last night. Slept awesomely. Had a full moon, which was very cool. And yeah, and now she's snowing again, or she's spitting, I should say, just spitting. All right, we got them sauteing right now, and then I'll probably saute them for about an hour or two, and then I'll start boiling them. So there we go. We rubbed them down with barbecue sauce. We got some more seasoning on them. And now we're going to transfer this one more time. And of course, it's snowing. To this puppy. Yep. Look at that. Oh. Just to caramelize it. So we're not going to keep it on there long at all. So, yep. We're going to move them out just a tad bit. There we go. Make sure they don't stick. Oh yeah, baby. Those look good. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we got blue sky shining on me. And the weather changes every like 5-10 minutes. So the other day it was like snowing, raining. Today we've got beautiful weather. I mean, don't have the shorts on, but I do have my Tevas on. Did a couple of things, just kind of hanging out, and gonna hopefully break out the dirt bike. So yeah, making sure everything really works on the rig. I do have to do some improvements on my air compressor for my road showers. So yeah, that's the only thing. Cool. See ya. Okay, that's enough. Ugh, I gotta come all the way back up just to get the camera. excuse me. Oh, this is how nice it is out here. So no one's down here in the lower camping area, but I got this great view, and the sun, as you can see, is just cranking. So yes, let's lay down, get some sun. Oh, my back just popped. Oh, that felt so good. Now, I can't get up. I can't get up. Someone call the paramedics. I can't get up. Oh. Well, all right, guys. So last night, I think it was about 2 or 3, I heard like somebody try to open up my back hatch of my truck bed, and I heard this slam, and I forgot to lock it, and didn't hear nothing. Kind of closed my eyes, and then I hear this, and I'm thinking, oh, was that my belly or was that outside? Okay, so I decided to marinate it just a tad bit before I deep fry it. Thanks, Ryan. Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Well, first camping season for 2020, whatever year this is, 22. It's out of the books. And there are a couple of things that did pop up, you know. For example, like my ABS sensor on my truck just lit up before I left, so I'm not sure what all that is. I'm hoping it was just a fuse because my battery was dead and I went to use my portable jumpers, and yeah, so the fuel, the liquid, excuse me, I'm dying for a pizza, even though I did eat very well. Shower and a pizza and a shave and a couple other things. So, all right, guys. If you guys got any questions about this whole video, feel free to comment. Let me know, and I'll answer you back. All right, guys. See ya. Peace out.